Curious about Finelo Investments and how it works? Let's break it down. Finelo Investments is an online platform that allows you to invest in various assets like stocks, crypto, forex, and more, all from one account. The platform offers tools for market analysis, real-time charts, and indicators so you can make informed investment decisions. You can deposit funds using bank transfer, cards, or supported digital currencies, and start trading almost instantly. Finelo also emphasizes risk management, allowing you to set up stop loss and take profit orders to protect your capital. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Finelo gives you access to multiple markets, portfolio tracking, and insights to grow your investments smartly. Just remember, like all investments, there is risk involved, so trade responsibly and start with what you can afford. And that's Finelo Investments in a nutshell, a platform to trade, invest, and manage your assets online. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.